Alright, what we're going to work on today is actually finishing out the front clip, hood, nose, bonnet for you guys across the pond. I don't know what you want to call it, but we're going to take and give this a nice clean finish. Now this area here, I had you guys put in your input. It was already what I was thinking. It's great, just kind of confirmed what I was thinking. I'm going to use the piece of the side door and we're going to mount it here to finish out the look. Now the problem is there's no way to mount this right now, so we're going to have to get this off, weld some support in, and mount this piece. So great thing is when I built this, 2 bolts and it comes off. So get it off, get it supported, and get some pieces in here to hold it. Alright, instead of just slapping this piece in and trying to weld it on, I'm going to reinforce this piece, put some mounts on here. That way when we get it all lined up, we can weld it out and it'll hold it rigid in the place where it needs to be. That way there's no welds showing on the outside, it's going to be a cleaner look. So let's hit the scrap bin, see what metal I got to make this. Hey guys, if you liked this video, do me a favor, click that like button. And if you haven't already done it, click subscribe. Ring that bell and choose all to get all the notifications every time we post something new. Thanks guys. Well, I'm out of welding wire. Sunday. Depot's open. Be back. Back in business. Now you notice that where I put the welds correspond with the molding. I was trying to hide as much of it as I could, but you know, there is some heat, whatnot, but it's a lot better than being right in the middle. Alright, well this side's done. Nice and sturdy. We're not going to get any vibrations or wobbling to it. So now I got to do the exact same thing on the other side. Well, I cut this about 3 years ago. I didn't even think I was going to use the whole thing. It just kind of was an idea, so I sketched it across the hood and I cut it. I thought I was just going to use the grill, but yeah, now I'm using the whole thing and I freehanded it. It's about 1.5 inches off on one side versus the other side. So, I made a template, I've traced it on. Both sides have to be completely cut in order for it to match. So I get to sit here with the cutoff wheel and cut the whole thing again. So. Alright, it's all mounted back up. Looks good. Both sides are actually even for once. So now, there's a couple issues still left. One is capping off this back edge and deal with all the rough edges here. The other one is this right here. It's bugging me. I went and looked and the fenders actually had a notch out for it. And so I'm not going to cut the fenders just to make that piece because we still need more to it. So I made a quick template, looking at it, and
I'm thinking of like something like that. Tie everything back together. It won't be the same brown as everything, but oh well. So we're gonna go ahead and work on making this piece here out of sheet metal and figuring out how we're gonna put it together. Well guys, I gotta admit, it definitely was missing something. Adding this piece and sitting this flare made a world of difference. It looks so much better. Now, it's late, so in the next one, we're gonna figure out how we're gonna cap this off. We gotta cut off moldings, cut louvers, gotta come up with somewhere clean to actually cap that off and make it look finished. Well guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope everybody has a good week. Be safe out there. I'll see you on the next one.
For those of you looking to show your support, go out to BrokeBastardGarage.com. Click on BBG Gear and look at all the different items we offer. Now, shirts and hats are all pressed by me to keep the cost down so that all the profits go to making more videos. Appreciate the support, guys.